Welcome guys to my YouTube channel Swahili Mastery. I'll be taking you through learning Swahili from the very basics. Someone who doesn't know anything related to Swahili, intermediate, advanced. I'll be trying as much as possible in this channel to be posting some couple of times weekly. You can also integrate other methods of learning Swahili, but you can always come. I highly appreciate if you could watch my videos because they will focus. I want my main focus for people wanting to learn Swahili is to not only know the words but how to pronounce them, getting to hear the pronunciation from someone who has mastered Swahili, and practice for yourself in the exact same way or the best way possible. So with that, let's start our video. So what is your nationality? So for example, let's write a sentence, I am Kenyan. So I am Kenyan, we want to translate it to Swahili. Okay, so I will be, so let me write the full in Swahili, then I'll explain to you later. So mimi ni Mkenya. Okay, so let me break down for you how we went about that. So I will be translated to mimi, me. That's how you pronounce I in Swahili, me. Then in Swahili will be translated to ni. So you see, so mimi, ni. Will be ni. And then the last part, Kenyan in Swahili, just translated to Mkenya. So when you combine it, will be mimi ni Mkenya. Mimi ni Mkenya. Okay. Another example we look at. I am American. Okay, so let's translate that. So that will be I will be mimi, then will be ni, and then American in Swahili will be Marekani. Marekani. Okay, so let me break down for you. I will be translated in Swahili to mimi. Okay, then but as we have already seen before, will be translated in Swahili to ni, and then the last part, American, will be translated in Swahili to Marekani. Marekani. Just bit by bit, and then you can combine the whole of the pronunciation. Marekani. Marekani. Okay. Then we can look at another example. Okay, just a little bit. So we have already said what is our nationality. So I am Kenyan, I am American. We can look at another instance, like where do you come from? Like what is your home country? It's just basically the same thing. We're trying to locate at different sites introducing yourself. So where do you come from? We will add some new words you'll get to add in your vocabulary. So I come, the first example is I come from East, I come from Europe. Okay, translate that to Swahili. Already we know I is mimi in Swahili. Then come from, you will combine the whole of that phrase. Come from will be nimetoka, nimetoka. Then Europe will be translated to Europa, Europa. See, the best way to pronounce these words in Swahili is to pronounce them bit by bit, like you can say nimetoka, then you try combining the whole of that pronunciation, nimetoka, nimetoka, then repeat that as plenty of times as possible. Then Europa, you can just say Europa, you see, then combine that, Europa. Okay, let us look at another example. I'm sorry for that, it is not Europa, it is Ulaya. Sorry for that. Europe in Swahili is Ulaya. My bad. Ulaya. Ulaya. Europe is Ulaya. So I will be mimi. You're already seeing that. Me. Come from in Swahili. That is one phrase. There's just one word for that. We'll look at later other words for that later in the videos, in the coming videos. So come from, nimetoka, then Europe, it is Ulaya, not Europe like I had said, not Europa but Ulaya, Ulaya. So these are just some words you can add in your Swahili vocabulary. Someone who's trying to learn Swahili or to improve their Swahili and pronunciation and stuff. Okay, so another example is I come from South Africa. Come from South Africa. So translate that to Swahili. I becomes mimi. Come from, the whole of that phrase becomes nimetoka. South Africa. Now in Swahili too, we will interchange the position of those two words. South will come later, Africa will come first. So Africa in Swahili will be Afrika. Africa. I'm sure you've heard that word a lot of times. South will be kusini. Kusini. So mimi nimetoka Afrika. Afrika. Combine that whole pronunciation will be Afrika. Kusini. Kusini. That is south. South in Swahili is kusini. Kusini. So Afrika Kusini. Mimi nimetoka Afrika Kusini. Okay, let's continue. So I will be mimi. Come from will be nimetoka. These are some of the examples we have seen above. Then the new words that you've learned now. South. If you are from South Africa, you can say kusini, Afrika Kusini. Mimi nimetoka Afrika Kusini. Then Africa will be Afrika. So basically, Africa in Swahili, you just remove the C and put the K, just like that, and then you say Afrika. We say Africa in English, Africa in Swahili. That's it. Then let's go to another example. I come from East Africa. come from the east side of Africa. Now if I come from East Africa, I, as we have already seen, will be mimi. Mimi. Come from will be nimetoka. Nimetoka. Mimi nimetoka. Then we'll interchange the English words in Swahili. East will come second, Africa will come first. So Afrika, then mashariki. The now east in Swahili is mashariki. Mashariki. So mimi nimetoka Afrika Mashariki. Okay, so you've learned another Swahili word, mashariki. I, so I've already seen before, will be mimi. Then come from. This one whole phrase will be nimetoka. Nimetoka. And then east will be mashariki. Mashariki. And then ki. Mashariki. So we will say mimi nimetoka, but remember we interchange the position. We will say Afrika Mashariki. Not pronounce the whole of the word, or you're having problems pronouncing it, you just go bit, you just go like segment, you just small parts of the word, you pronounce them distinctly and slowly, and then you try repeating that and then increasing the speed and then combining the whole pronunciation. So you can say Africa, 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 then Africa. You see? So mimi nimetoka Afrika Mashariki, Mashariki. You see how I'm distincting the bits of words Mashariki, then combining the whole pronunciation Mashariki until you're used to that whole pronunciation. That's it, guys, for introduction. Please, you can like the video and subscribe if you are a Swahili enthusiast or wanting to expand your base of knowledge of languages, like learning Swahili. I'll be posting these Swahili videos and trying to expound on more on something you had already known, or if you had no knowledge, don't worry, take you step by step. You can always comment down on the comment section what you would like, where you feel there's challenges you would like to cover. You know, if we've done something and you are like satisfied, so that I may try to improve in the next section of the video. Okay,